much should you actually spend on an electric baseboard heater? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Beyond Heat 1500 watt electric baseboard heater. Priced at $63.09, this heater caught my attention with its safety features and quiet operation. If you want a reliable heater that won't disturb your peace, this is worth a serious look. This heater has an adjustable thermostat with 2 heat settings, letting you customize the warmth to your liking. It provides consistent heat, perfect for those chilly nights when you just want to feel cozy. Plus, the overheat and tip-over protections are big selling points. You can rest easy knowing it's designed to keep you safe while you enjoy the warmth. Now, some people complained about it not being powerful enough for larger rooms. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something to heat up small to medium spaces, this is still a solid choice. It's compact and its 1500 watt output is more than enough for efficiency in the right room size. This is perfect for you if you need a compact heater for a small or medium room. Skip this one if you're looking to heat an entire large living area. For the price and features, it's a great value. Now, if that compact size worried you, this next option might actually do the trick for larger spaces.
Product number 2, Oilless 2-in-1 heater. Next is the Oilless 1500 watt baseboard heater with fireplace. This one comes in at $122.94 and caught my eye with its unique 3D flame effect. If you want warmth and ambiance combined, this one should be on your radar. What makes this heater stand out is its 2-in-1 functionality. You can use the heater and the flame effect independently or together, which is perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere during the cold months. It effectively heats up to 250 square feet, making it suitable for larger rooms. Plus, the built-in thermostat keeps the temperature just right. However, some users mention that it can be a little loud when the heater is running. But honestly, if you're enjoying a movie night or a cozy evening, the flame effect more than makes up for any minor noise. This is perfect for you if you love that fireplace vibe and need a heater for larger rooms. Skip this if you want something ultra quiet. For the features and design, it's a good investment. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for your living space.
Product number 3, TrendGear 1500 watt heater. Our third pick is the TrendGear 1500 watt electric heater, available for $106.62. I liked its 3D flame feature and adjustable heating, which makes it really versatile. If you're looking for both warmth and style, this is a killer option. This heater heats up in just 5 seconds, which is incredible for those cold mornings. You can set the temperature between 59 degrees to 99 degrees, so you're always cozy. Plus, it has a timer feature that can be set from 1 to 12 hours, perfect for when you want to warm up your room before you get there. Now, a few folks pointed out that the light from the flame can be quite bright at night. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a living room or spacious area, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a heater that heats quickly and has adjustable settings. Skip this if you're sensitive to light while sleeping. For what you get, it's a solid buy. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more traditional, our next product might be just what you need.
Product number 4, Mollify 48-inch heater. Next up is the Mollify 48-inch electric baseboard heater, which packs a punch at 1,000 watts. While I couldn't find a set price, it's worth considering for a fixed installation option. If you want a more permanent solution, this could be what you're after. This heater is designed for indoor use, and at 48 inches, it's great for longer walls in bedrooms or home offices. It delivers a solid 3,412 BTU output, which means you can count on it to efficiently heat a good-sized room. The overheat protection is also a reassuring feature. Some users have mentioned that installation can be a bit tricky if you're not handy, but if you can manage that part, it's a fantastic long-term investment. This is perfect for you if you have a designated space needing consistent heat. Skip this if you're looking for something portable. Given its capabilities, it's worth the investment for a permanent setup. Finally, let's check out one more option that's compact and easy to manage. Product number 5, Mollify 30-inch heater. Last but not least is the Mollify 30-inch electric baseboard heater. This one's priced similarly to the previous model, designed for smaller rooms. If you're limited on space but still want effective heating, you might want to consider this. At 500 watts and 1710 BTU output, it's perfect for bedrooms or small offices. Its slim design allows it to fit practically anywhere without taking up much room. Plus, the safety features like overheat protection are always a plus for peace of mind. However, some users noted that it might take a bit longer to heat up larger spaces. But honestly, if it's just for a small area, you'll likely find it heats up well enough. This is perfect for you if you have a small room needing efficient heating. Skip this if your space is larger than average. For its size and function, it provides good value. All right, to wrap things up, here's a quick comparison of all 5 heaters.
So we've looked at the Beyond Heat for compact spaces, the Oilless for ambience, the Trend Gear for quick heat, the Mollify 48-inch for a fixed solution, and the Mollify 30-inch for smaller rooms. Each has its strengths, and it really comes down to your space and needs. Choose wisely, stay warm, and you'll be set for the chilly months ahead.